But what's up, guys? I'm back after a month of unintentional break. A lot of stuff happened, but yeah, I decided to go today for a short ride on my, let's say, local trails, which I need, I think, 15 or 20 minutes on e-bike to reach here. It has it's a small zone, so to say. It has, I think, 3, as far as I know, lines. But yeah, anyhow, I came here after a long time because I don't visit this place often. So I'll see what's new, and yeah, I'll show you how the trails look like, because they are, I mean, they're cool, especially this green line. And I forgot to mention there was a small pump track as well there. It has a nice trailhead up there with a nice sightseeing spot, but I think I'll jump directly to the green line. Here is a bit tricky because it has a jump across the road. Okay, here are some new elements I see. I did not see before, and I messed it up. Okay, this jump here is, now I don't know how useful it is. But it's really cool. It's really cool trail. Short and nice. Here it has, I think, some new stuff. I'll check that later. And here to the top, I think. Nice. And there is a problem on that jump across the road, because if you don't have somebody to yell if there's a car, you don't see it, and then you always dab a brake and come short. I decided to repeat that corner there just to have it cleaner, and I saw that there are some people on the jump there, so I guess they will yell if a car comes. Better. There's some small sideline there which I saw last time, but I never tried it, so I'll try that now. Okay, now to the malo part. Ajde, kratko. Molim?
I na YouTube-u.
Nažalost, da.
Jeste. Po bajku i bok.
Po bok.
Svašta. Da. Skužio sam po bajku.
Da, po bajku sedne. Idem gledat malo u crvenu. Vidim se, čao, pozdrav. Za žrtve, ili? Ali ovo stvarno izgleda sada, ne treba uopće brzine za ovo. Gle, ja najbolje što mogu ti stati tamo da te snimam ako ćeš pasti.
Za svaki slučaj.
Da. Pa viš, njega sam full, nisam ga ulovio. Nije, više izgleda kiki nego što je onda. Okay. Ide na ovu mamu tu. Bravo.
Bravo! Kako si lijepo čuo. To je za velike, dečki.
Mi ćemo isto kao odrastamo tako. Ja sam zaboravio da ima ni bajk. Samo da vidim šta ima tu. I gibam. Okay, I'm checking new trails here. With a trail builder. I never seen it. Hop, stani!
To je neka nova. Ja skoro u tablu završim.
Op, ovo nisam očekivao. Ovo je interesantno. Što je dalje to?
Mislim da ide dolje do onog dropa.
Pa, stani. Dobro, okej.
Aha, neke zabave.
Da, tako je zadnji put na 13. prasetu odvalilo liku mjenjač.
Da, kuda se tu
Staj.
nekad bio. Zrušilo se stablo.
Da.
A da. Čuvaj.
Čekaj. Ja sam mislio da ćeš vani hopat to.
Ja sad pedlat gore, a?
Joj, baš da, to pedaliranje. Znači, tu idemo po trailu onda, ili? To je trail, jel?
Da, to je trail. Je.
Ajde, pozdrav. Hvala što ste mi pokazali. Bog. So I just was chatting with some guys there, and from all that commotion I forgot even to jump there, and they showed me this some small trail that obviously some of them built, and now I'm finding my way to go back home somewhere here, but I don't know. Okay. Sve okej, ja sam zalutao. Hvala. I don't know where this will come. Okay, next time I'll show you the red line, and maybe I'll sometime manage to clear that table top down there where the guy was jumping. He didn't even clear it and he's riding downhill. Usually, so it seems you have to have a really good pop there. But anyhow, that's it. This will going to be short, and it's more for myself to know that I'm alive. See you in the next one.